Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to convert your Roblox balance into Robux. So let's say you just recently redeemed a Roblox gift card and it will automatically turn into a credit for you to buy Robux with. Now, as you can see here, I'm in the app on my phone. I'm going to show you on both my mobile device as well as on desktop. But here we are in the Roblox app on my phone. And if we're here like on the home page and then we just go ahead and tap on the Robux icon in the upper right-hand corner, you can see you can buy specific packages of Robux and the conversions kind of beside each other. So you have like $8.99 is 700 Robux, right? Or you get a gift card. So if you buy it this way directly from the app, it'll automatically convert real dollars into Robux themselves. Now, if you go ahead and scratch off one of the Roblox gift cards, however, it'll turn into balance. So if we go back here, there's no way to really do it from within the app. So I want you to open up either Safari or Google Chrome on your device, on your mobile device, and go to the web browser here and type in www.roblox.com/redeem and go to that website there. It's going to take us to where we can redeem Roblox gift codes or gift cards, but if we go below here, we're going to see our available credit once we've redeemed one of these gift cards, and then we're going to see a button that says convert credit to Robux. If we tap into that there, it's going to say your Roblox credit will be converted into 243 Robux. So again, depending on how much credit, let's say it's a $25 gift card, you just tap convert to Robux and it'll automatically convert that dollar amount into the Robux digital currency. Now, if we go back to the desktop here and we log in and go to the Roblox.com homepage, once you've redeemed that gift card, and again, you can go to Roblox.com/redeem if you want to here on your desktop, and it'll just take you to the same page. But if we go to the home page here on Roblox, we can see in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to see two different currencies. We're going to see the Robux currency, which is the Robux icon, and then how many you have here. And then you're going to see just your digital wallet or your credit here within Roblox. So if we click on that there's a very nice button that says convert credit to Robux, and then you just go ahead and click on that there. And then once we click the button that says convert to Robux, automatically it will successfully convert the dollar amount to the digital Robux currency. That's it. That's how you do it on both mobile and desktop. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.